All right. It's another Thursday here in the trailer home. And you know what that means? It's time for Mail Thing Thursday. Got a couple packages here that I got to open. And we're going to see what I got. I'm Walter. This is Country 3D.
You've got mail.
Alright, now, here's the thing. A couple of these packages, I can kind of tell what this is because I ordered this. This is from me. But I also have a Prime box here that's from Amazon. And I've got some Amazon stuff coming. But I don't know if it's mine or not. So, we're going to open it. And then I got one that is not from me. This is from Proto Plant Inc., the makers of Proto Pasta. And I believe I know who sent it, but I still don't know what's in it. So let me get a knife blade, and we're gonna try to open some of these. I'm gonna pull a Joel Telling. And you know what? I said the last time I was gonna sharpen this dang thing, and I ain't done it yet because I've been busy with my YouTube channel, keeping y'all up at night and doing all these live streams. But I believe I know what this is. This took almost 60 days. I ordered these 57 days ago. I ordered these. So we're going to see how they turn out after 57 days. I don't know why it took so long. But they were in preparation for shipping for, I know, a good month and a half. Almost. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yes, that's exactly what it is. I have some 550 millimeter lead screws. Now, the plan for these, and the reason I ordered them from where I did, was because I wanted to make this one taller. This one, the hair bow with the towel hanging on it, I wanted to make it taller. So I ordered two, which look like they're bent like crazy, 550 millimeter lead screws. Now, subsequently, after ordering them from China, they were cheap. I don't remember the price, but they were cheap. $15, I think, for a set of 550 millimeters. And I know they look bent on screen, but they're not. That's that GoPro. Subsequent to ordering these, they became available on Amazon, so I bought a set to put on there because I was ready to make it print higher. So, these now become the prime candidates to be lead screws on my project printer that I'm going to try my best to get done for Earth. That's the East Coast Rep Rap Festival for those of y'all that don't know. And I know it looks kind of funny because I'm looking at the screen, but the camera's over here. I guess I could look at the camera. But anyway, so that's these, and I'm excited for these because I really want to get on that project. And this is one thing that is harder to find on Amazon than it is on AliExpress or wherever I bought them from. I can't even remember where I bought them from. Let me see. What does it say here? It says from the A1 floor Yeehawa. I can't pronounce that. Yeehua Woo. Shenzhen, China. That's where they came from. Alright, now, this box, I don't know if I ordered it or not. If I did, it's a case of primnesia. Yeah, because I don't remember what the hell it is. So let's see. I don't remember ordering anything that would be in a box like this anytime recently. And with Prime, you know, it's only 2 days. So, let's see what we got. Oh, it looks like some filament. And I probably got this on sale because this is Best Q 3D Professional Printer Filament. Stable, accuracy, reliable, and high quality. And it is Best Q PLA 1.75 millimeter, 1 kilogram spool of purple. And it is purple. I don't know if you can see that, but it is purple. And for those of you that don't follow me or haven't been on my live stream, purple is my favorite color. Even though I do most of my stuff in orange and blue because I'm a Gator fan. Go Gators. Purple is actually my favorite color. My favorite color. All right, now this, I'm actually going to open this. Let's open this up because I want to see. This is also Best Q. 1.75 millimeter filament, 1 kilogram spool. It says red copper. So I want to see, because I want to do some copper filament. So let's see if we can tell how the color looks. Can you see that color? I mean, the light is glaring off of the paper. But it's actually a nice copper color. And this thing is vacuum sealed very well. So if this prints well, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember correctly, these were $11.99 a roll. With free shipping, because I have Prime, so it's not free. I do pay for it, but free shipping. So for $23, the cost of one spool, I got two. I got my favorite color over here, and I got a red copper over here. So now then, I also got this box in. And during one of my live streams, a man that is on the stream asked me for my email address. Didn't ask me for my mailing address because it's in every description of my video. You can find it down below. Asked me for my email address. Well, shortly after, it said I got an order from Protopasta. Well, I didn't order anything from Protopasta, so apparently this man ordered me some Protopasta. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, he works at Protopasta. So I have to say thank you to that man. He knows who he is. And he actually hit me up this morning and said, hey, have you opened it yet? And I said, no, it's going to be a Mail Thing Thursday video. He said, well, let me know when you open it what you think. I said, okay, I will. So without further ado, I am going to open this box and see what type of Protopasta we got. Oh, wow. We got a kit here. What is this? This is HTPLA Aromatic Cinnamon. This is aromatic cinnamon. So I'm assuming that when you're printing with this, it smells like cinnamon. So I promise you, we will do a live stream where I print with this. And I will let you know if it smells like cinnamon. I will. And I will make sure that the gentleman that sent this to me knows it as well. So let's see what else we got. Is this a sticker? Yes, it is. It says, I print matte. Protopasta.com. I have a Maz and Erdo Geek Love Gift Shop. Etsy.com shop Maz and Adaro sticker. I love CF for Protopasta.com. Stop and smell the Protopasta. Stop and smell the filament from Protopasta.com. And then we have a I print with pasta, world's best filament. I don't know. I have never printed with Protopasta, so I don't know yet. And then got Chuck Hesselbeck sticker, Chep sticker, for his favorite pasta. Alright, so now we have, oh my goodness. Hey man. And I'm going to tell you, we were having a chat last night, or this morning, I can't remember when it was. This says, it says off color, HTPLA off color, and I'll show you. And this is a sample box, so I understand it. So this is probably one of the rolls where they start a new color. But he printed a frog in white and galactic purple. And I said, man, that's crazy because purple is my favorite color. And I got not one, but 2 rolls. It says off color, so I don't know what that exactly means. So I don't know exactly what that means, but they are both metallic purple Galactic Empire. So they are both 2 rolls of the Galactic Empire purple. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. That is awesome. And I don't know that he knew it, because I'm not sure if it's just a sample pack that they send out or what. But there's no way you could have known, because actually in his message he said, I wish I had known before he sent this. Well, guess what? He sent me, I got 2 Galactic Purples. Whether they're off color or not, all I can see is purple. So the only thing I can figure is that closer to the inside of the roll is where they start off, maybe, and it's a little clearer than normal because the color hadn't mixed yet. That's still awesome. I'm going to tell you right now. That is the most wonderful gift you could have gave me, dude. That is just, yeah, I'm floored by that gift, and I can't wait to print this because I really want to see how this smells. I really do. Yeah, we'll do a live stream on this. I don't know when. Maybe this coming weekend I might get to. We're not out of town this weekend, so I may be able to do that. This is great. This is fantastic. I love getting mail. If y'all want to send me something, it's down below. I will tell you that I've added a wish list. It will be in the description down below of this video on Amazon, because my computer I'm going to have to take back. As a lot of you know, and that's when this video came out. So if you're watching this at a later date, very much later, you might want to check with me first. But as of right now, I've got the use of this computer for probably another 3 weeks. So I've put a wish list out there to help the channel move forward. I need to replace this, and it's not because it's old. It's because I can't afford to pay for it anymore. I'm losing my job the middle of next month, give or take. Hopefully something else will come along and everything will be fine and dandy and we'll keep moving right along. But as it is right now, I don't know. So I put the wish list out there. If you find it in your heart and you see something you want to do, then great. If you don't, fine. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, ring that bell. You'll get some great content. Or wait, well, you know, it's got me in it, so it can't be too good, right? But this has been Mail Thing Thursday, and this is a fantastic one. And I'm going to call him by his screen name. So if any of y'all are out there and you're on Twitter, it's @Tinkerz, Tinkerz. The man has hooked me up with 2 of my favorite colored spools of filament, and I actually may put one on the Kuntry bow here today and see what I can print out of it. It's just awesome to me. I enjoy this. This is fantastic. I just can't. I'm floored. Anytime anybody sends me anything, I'm floored. So, anyway, this has been Mail Thing Thursday. We'll see you next week.